In 4 years' time, that is F02, F03, F04, just we reached a turnover of 15 crores. Today, many of our dealers, many of our service dealers are 15 crore business today. And in 4 years, we just reached a turnover of 15 crores. Then we thought, why not we make ourselves DGs? So we reinvented further and we started selling DGs in the brand of Mahindra. Otherwise, we are selling engines only. With that, the next year we jumped to 51 crores. But we continued with the reinvention and we started what we call as lean asset model. This is the first time I think a manufacturing industry thought of this model. That asset belongs to somebody else, but the working capital and the management belongs to somebody else. This different from a contract manufacturing. The country was knowing till that time the lean asset model was reinvented by us. With this, we jumped to 174 crores. But I can tell you, till this time, Mahindra Powerol was making loss. The business which started in 2001 made loss till 2006, 2007. But still Mahindra and Mahindra management continued this business thinking that this business is a future growth potential in this business is very high. So we continued with this business in spite of loss for almost 5 years. Then only our thrust began on the service. We started service and we were the first to give it to telecom people a complete solution for their DG sets. We started this Magix concept that time only. So these end-to-end solutions took us to 350 crores the next year. We can say from 174 crore to 350, we have doubled, more than doubled in that year, and we started making profit from that year onwards. This is the first time we started making profit, and the real growth of Powerol started with service focus, what we started in F05, F06. So far, we have been selling DG as a DG. Then we thought, why not sell DG as a consumer durable? This was a paradigm shift in the industry. This is an innovation which Powerol did. So, till that time, if you see, the DG can be of any color, as we say, but as long as it was white. But we only brought up new color combination of gray, the color of coolness, and orange, the color of power. And that time only we branded our DG as Mahindra Powerol. And we did innovation in advertising, we did van campaigns, we did branded public transport, we did showrooms. So in this year, our focus started very well on the retail segment only about 2006. 2005, 2006 we started, but the real focus started from 2007. And this is one of our Powerol Plaza. We thought about Powerol Plaza concept, and this is a Powerol Plaza we started at Lucknow, where even it is training is we do all facilities including FIP, reconditioning of engines, all these facilities, all these are done in this facility. With this, we again jumped turnover to 570 crores the next year. But we continue the reinvention. By that time, we were the leader in telecom and we got the award for the best DG set in telecom. Utilizing this trust what we created among the telcos,